PuraFlame Western Electric Fireplace. Classic and realistic look of flickering logs, lively flame, crackling sound, and faux brick all make the fire just look like a real wood-burning or gas fireplace. The flame effects can be used with or without heat. You could use a heater during the winter season and flame only for other seasons for decorating. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Overall dimensions. 35.4 inches width by 26.99 inches height by 8.78 inches depth. Number 2. 3 flame settings with variable intensity and brightness can be used with or without heat all year long. 100% energy-saving LED technology. A sleek look with a 3-sided interior brick wall and clean glass front trim design, without the hassle of cleaning dust or ashes. Number 3. Lifelike resin log, which is 11.1 inches high sitting on the grate above the ember bed. That's just what a wood-burning fireplace looks like. Number 4. Adjustable thermostat. A supplemental heat for up to 400 square feet cannot be used as the main heat source. Remote control provided for easy operation. Number 5. Easy to install and uninstall. With a flat bottom, the insert can just sit on the floor directly, plug in and use under a voltage of 120. Cannot be hardwired. 1-year warranty, but customer service is always ready for help whenever you need it. Number 6. Fireplace after renovation. Easy to slide into your wood-burning opening. Much cleaner, hassle-free, and without air pollution. Number 7. The heat outlet and manual control panel are hidden subtly by the specially designed grille, which gives a simple and elegant look. The front glass is safe to touch anytime and will never get hot when the heater is running. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.